नांदेड़ के श्री चैतन्य टेक्नो स्कूल में हाल ही में विज क्लब डे का आयोजन बड़े ही उत्साह और उमंग के साथ किया गया। ये दिन उन प्रतिभाशाली छात्रों के लिए एक महत्वपूर्ण मंच साबित हुआ जिन्होंने अपनी नवीन परियोजनाओं और प्रौद्योगिकी के क्षेत्र में अपनी प्रतिभा का प्रदर्शन किया। इस कार्यक्रम ने छात्रों में समझ, विचार शक्ति और समस्या समाधान के कौशल को बढ़ावा दिया। स्कूल के छात्रों द्वारा विज्ञान, प्रौद्योगिकी, इंजीनियरिंग और गणित विषयों पर आधारित परियोजनाएं न केवल उनके तकनीकी कौशल का प्रमाण थी, बल्कि उनकी रचनात्मकता और दूरदृष्टि को भी दर्शाती थी। इस कार्यक्रम के माध्यम से छात्रों के बीच सहयोग, ज्ञान का आदान प्रदान और नए विचारों का संचार हुआ। स्कूल के डीजीएम शिव प्रसाद ने छात्रों के शानदार प्रदर्शन पर गर्व व्यक्त करते हुए नवाचार के महत्व पर जोर दिया। कार्यक्रम के मुख्य अतिथि शिव कुमार अन्नदानम के हाथों इस कार्यक्रम का उद्घाटन किया गया। विज क्लब डे जैसे कार्यक्रम छात्रों को किताबी शिक्षा से आगे बढ़कर वास्तविक जीवन की समस्याओं का समाधान ढूंढना सिखाते हैं। ऐसी जानकारी प्रिंसिपल डॉक्टर बलदीप कौर ने इस अवसर पर दी। विज क्लब डे अब विद्यालय के शैक्षिक कैलेंडर का एक महत्वपूर्ण हिस्सा बन गया है, जो छात्रों में गुणवत्ता और नवाचार की संस्कृति का निर्माण करता है। इस कार्यक्रम के लिए बेंगलोर के हिमांशु वर्मा ने महत्वपूर्ण मार्गदर्शन किया। कार्यक्रम को सफलतापूर्वक संपन्न कराने के लिए विश्वनाथ पोद्दार, धनश्री, अधिष्ठाता साकेत, प्रवीण और सभी शिक्षकों ने अथक परिश्रम किए। इस सफल आयोजन ने चैतन्य टेक्नो स्कूल को नवाचार और रचनात्मकता के केंद्र के रूप में स्थापित किया है, जो भविष्य में वैज्ञानिकों और इंजीनियरों को प्रेरित करता रहेगा। ऐसा विश्वास प्रिंसिपल डॉक्टर बलजीत कौर ओबेराय ने एमसीएन हिंदी न्यूज के माध्यम से व्यक्त किया है।
So we are going to share some information about our project joystick controlling Wizboard. Keyboard has many buttons.
ये आपकी नींद की निगरानी यानी ही मॉनिटरिंग करने में बनाया गया।
CPU stands for Central Processing Unit.
Crossing traffic signal. And why it is so important? It is a type of robot which can control remotely via the internet. It's like a little machine that can go from one location to another on its own.
An information center about our school, Sri Chaitanya Techno School. Electrical energy into the sound energy to the vibration in a compound.
Tinkercad is an application where we can make 3D model design such as rocket.
We presented today robotic arms. This part is known as pan and tilt.
Smart dustbin, in which we have used
C like W. My name is Pradumna and my project X-axis, Y-axis and
Alone at home and unknown person will come. Then I will click on push button. It means I am in danger. Ultrasonic sensor is an input device that uses ultrasonic waves.
छान वाटलं तुमच्या शाळेतल्या विद्यार्थ्यांनी छोट्या छोट्या विद्यार्थ्यांनी पण इंग्लिशमधून आम्हाला एक्सप्लेन केलं आणि मोठ्या विद्यार्थ्यांनी पण छान एक्सप्लेन केलं। आपल्या जीवनामध्ये आपल्याला काय उपयोगी गोष्टी आहेत त्या या AI टेक्नॉलॉजीमधून आपल्याला ते एक्सप्लेन केले त्यांनी।
Baldeep Kaur Oberoi, principal of Sri Chaitanya Techno School, Nanded. Today we have celebrated Viz Club with full zeal and enthusiasm, and the kind of efforts and creativity shown by my student, I'm totally astonished by that particular thing, is actually Viz Club. That reminds me one quote by the Ken Smith, which is, I'm not a great programmer, but I'm a good programmer with great ideas. So yes, Viz Club is doing that. He is creating consumers to the creators and flourishing those great ideas. It is not only working on the computer coding or something like that. There are many skills they are developing in the students. There are approximately 10 skills which are actually inculcated in the students of Viz Club. That is problem solving, critical thinking, creativity, logical reasoning, persistence, collaboration, math skills, communication, confidence, availability. There were 136 students who have enrolled in this particular program last year. They have presented their models today, that is on the Viz Club Day. and the kind of response the parents got, they were totally surprised by getting the models like reverse car sensing from a grade second or third child. That is the only thing happened because of this beautiful curriculum designed by the WIS Club. When we talk about different models, and I'm just talking about the primary school model and secondary school model, you can imagine the kind of difficulty they are increasing and the kind of creativity they are bringing into the child. One of the student of my school, that is from high school, he has made classroom sensor, that where the students, how many students are in the class, as the student is entering in the class, the count will be there, and how many students along with the teacher is there in the class, we are able to see. And if a student leaves the class, that count also will be there. So this is something which was unimaginable by the parents of my school, because they have not thought that such kind of classroom management student be prepared by a 7th standard or 8th standard child. Apart from that, there were many projects like traffic light, which was prepared by a 2nd standard child, smart home, where the child can, or if a person is alone at home, he can tell the others that I am safe or there is any emergency, and that direct alarm will be gone to any of the by police station or wherever they want to send it to. That kind of project has been prepared by a 6th standard child. When we talk about water level monitoring system, car parking system, reverse car system, even the mobile robot. And the best part was when the inauguration of the program was done, the robot has only given the inaugurate material, that is scissors or the greeting cards, to the guests through that model mobile system which was prepared by my WIS Club students. And WIS Club has provided it through the way of coding, the way of developing their cognitive skills. We are preparing the consumers or the creators. So definitely we will be on the side of creators with WIS Club program.